In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a listing on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're updating your inventory, have sold your item outdoors, or simply need to tidy up your listings. Removing a listing from Facebook Marketplace is a straightforward process. Let's walk through each step together to make sure you can do it with ease. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to Facebook. Open your browser or the Facebook app and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look for the Marketplace icon. It typically resembles a storefront logo and can be found either on the left-hand side if you're using a desktop or at the bottom menu if you're on a mobile device. Clicking on this icon takes you into the Marketplace area. Next, once you're in the Marketplace, look towards the top menu options and find where it says Selling. Click on that. This will direct you to a whole host of your listings where you can see the items you're currently selling. When you're in your selling section, locate the listing you want to delete. Each of your listings will have a small horizontal set of 3 dots next to them. These dots serve as a menu for additional options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots for the specific listing you wish to remove. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. In there, you'll find several actions you can take with your listing, one of which will be labeled Delete Listing. Click on that option, and a confirmation dialog will appear, just as a safety measure to ensure you indeed want to proceed with deleting the item. Finally, all that's left to do is confirm your action by clicking on the delete button in this confirmation box. Once you click it, your listing will be permanently removed from Facebook Marketplace, and it won't be visible to potential buyers any longer. It's important to note that once a listing is deleted, it cannot be restored, so make sure you truly want to remove it before you complete the final step. Also, if your intention is simply to take the listing offline for a while, consider other options like pausing the listing if available to avoid losing all the information permanently. And there you have it. Deleting a listing on Facebook Marketplace is a simple yet effective way to manage your online selling activities. Remember, staying organized and up to date with your listings can help you maintain a positive selling experience. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.